Well, we got Josh here. He's gonna dig us out with his tractor. It's pretty deep. It's gonna be pretty tough. We're still buried in since yesterday. So Josh is here, gonna dig me out. Here's his tractor there. Look at that. There it is. They're gonna do it. They're gonna get her done. Jesus, this is amazing. They gotta dig me out of my own driveway here. Okay, well here we are. This is day 2. It did shrink some. You know, it does shrink a little bit, but it dehydrates some and packs down some. So it's down below that panel. It was up to that middle panel. And so now we got rescued. We got these guys here with their big tractor. They're gonna dig me out. Look at this. Unbelievable. Talk about a snowstorm. There's the motorhome. It's still buried, but we'll get it out somehow. First we got to do this part. Unbelievable. Look what they're digging out. Holy cow. This is what you need. There's no way you can do this with even a snowblower. Just can't. You gotta have a tractor. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, I'm out on my street. This is looking down the street. And this is looking the other way. Thank God they're gonna save us here, Josh and his brother. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Talk about digging yourself out of a blizzard. Unbelievable. We still got a long way to go yet. Look how much this is. This is amazing. I mean, this is up to almost my chest here. Because, you know, the snowplows came by and buried us again. You know, they buried us. Look at this. Just amazing. Totally amazing. I gotta thank Josh here. He's the one who came to save us. Now just look at this. I gotta get a close-up of this. This is amazing. I mean, look how high this is. This is just on my driveway. Unbelievable. We gotta get dug out, man. I gotta get to Florida. We're going in 9 days. I said I'm leaving in 9 days. Yeah. We're going to Florida. How am I going to get out of here? You're going to save my life here, Josh. Jesus. Okay, I'm going to continue here. This is near the end. Well, not near the end, but they're getting there. They're up to here. This could be pretty tough with the Jeep sitting there, but we're kind of stuck. I'm going to have them go around it, and I'll have to dig out the rest. Unbelievable. Jesus. Unbelievable. Snowstorm 2020. Okay, I just opened the garage door. So this is kind of shrunk. It dropped a bit. This is the other side here. I just took a little bit off the Jeep. That's how deep it is on a Jeep. Look at that. There's a Jeep underneath that pile. I have to dig that out as soon as they're done. Wow. Here's what it looks like from inside the garage. Looking out.